Alright guys, let's go this way. Hey, Challenger. Challenger. Whoa, whoa, what are we doing over here? Uh-oh, guys. Y'all see that? A Challenger with a 3.6. See, it should have had a Hemi in it. Alright, if it had a Hemi, we would not be replacing the engine. We would be repairing the engine. Okay? Now, I think this is the one that, we had a flood out here not too long ago, guys. I think this is one of those insurance jobs where they, hydrolock, I think that's the term some use. You know, you can't compress water, so where's the intake? Where's the filter? When the intake system, uh-oh, y'all see that radiator? That is bad news, guys. Oh, that radiator's, you're gonna need a radiator. If I was him, I'd put a radiator in before I put the engine back. But this, the intake is kind of low on certain models, and it will suck in air and get in the intake system, and there goes the engine. Okay, when the piston come up and try to compress any kind of liquid other than fuel, that can spell disaster, guys. So yeah, he got it out. That looks like an 8-speed transmission. Yes, because guys, I don't see a dipstick tube. Y'all know the other option for this model Charger is a NAG 1. And it has a dipstick tube, okay? They came with dipstick tubes, all right? So, yeah, you got this out fairly quickly, okay? The PCM. It's got to be a new model because that's the new style PCM. Got everything laid out. This guy's pretty good with these, swapping these engine out along with our other buddy over there. They fairly good. What we going back in with? As you see, we have to drop the steering. Okay, we have to lower the steering in order to clear certain areas, and the trans simply lifts, or the engine simply lifts straight out. Okay, it wasn't that bad at all. I've done a couple of these, guys. All right, 5W20 oil. Like I say, I think this was induced problem. Okay, so get off your 3.6. Every time I turn around, they replacing it. No. Some engines, don't matter what car it is or what car maker responsible for it. There will be self-inflicted wounds from, different customers, okay? And this is one of those cases, all right? The new engine, that's not it. That is a Hemi. That came out of that Charger we did the other day. Oh, right here, guys. Now, I have a hard time believing an insurance company sent us a brand new 3.6. This is a brand new Mopar, not used or from a salvage yard. Okay, either that or they got out of taking those chances being burnt the last time. I know y'all seen that video with the Charger. I'm gonna put it right here. It's not it should be uploaded before I upload this, but yeah, this is a new OEM. Okay, long block. Long block is when you get the short block and the heads together and the timing is already there. So basically we have to transfer the timing cover on the water pump and all that. It may go back in with a new water pump, I don't know, but yes, it's already in time. Look at that, guys. Bank 1 you will get the lines. Bank 2 you will get the two arrows pointing toward each other. Okay, so I'm sure before they did that, they made sure the engine was at top dead center. Hey, it's like a new tensioner. Y'all know from the last video I did right here, guys, where I showed you how to remove the valve train properly on the car. But the cutaway engine I used, I was able to show you guys how to compress this tension in. And that one there is not even touching the guide. All right, grab your tube for this particular head. Place it inside of here. Same as if you was doing it on the car. Okay, I'm just showing you a cutaway view. Now, grab your little pick and lift up on the pawl. Again, we want to create some slack in the chain. So lift up on it. Now set your tool into place like this. It's like 2 indentions you're going to go through. Now, that timing chain guide is off of the chain. Somewhat, okay, it's enough slack in there. Now you can either install your valve train or either take it apart. You can use the tool in order to disassemble or assemble. Well, the arm, the plunger's touching the guide, but this not. So we do have tension on the chain. Okay, same with the other side, but it gets its tension from the bottom tensioner. Now with this one, there's no compressing this to release the tension. We simply push back on the guide with a tool, a special tool. In fact, I got a video on that, guys. Where's my finger? Watch it right here. Well, I'll show you guys how to do bank one. All right, bank one, cylinder two. Now, depending on the vehicle, it could be mounted. It could be a rear wheel drive or front wheel drive. Okay. So as you can see, guys, it didn't get a oil filter adapter housing, so we will have to transfer the oil filter adapter housing. Yeah, I guess first thing you want to make sure is it's not leaking. Okay. So, and valve covers will be reused. Cam sensors, everything will be reused except any of the valve train. Now, I want to believe everything in here, on here, is pretty already up to date, such as the rock arm. I would like to believe everything on this engine is already latest and greatest part. Look at that. No signs of any kind. Well, it haven't ran. I don't think. I don't know how they test these, guys. I have no idea. But this is what we're going back in with, guys. Brand new. Yeah, that's out of that charger. Y'all remember the charger with the... Oh, yeah, he do have a new. So we're getting a new oil filter adapter housing. Now, I told y'all, y'all remember the video I did on this? I'm going to put that right here also. The thing you got to keep in mind when dealing with oil filter adapter housing, you have to make sure you got the proper ones. Well, that's a given, right? Yes, because they look, they could be interchangeable. Now, I don't know if there's two different style oil filters. I don't know if there's two different style oil filter adapter housing. Okay, but keep in mind when you get a new oil filter adapter housing, it's going to come with a filter already in it. So just say you get one of the first generations. I want to say there's two different oil filter adapter housing, but I don't know, so I won't say it all until I find out, guys. I hate to be wrong, and I hate, you know, I'm sure my buddy Tom Cook would jump in and correct me when I misspeak. I call it misspeaking. I don't call it totally being wrong. Sometimes it's misspeaking. On occasion, I can be wrong, outright wrong. But I have friends from within in the YouTube community that will tend to correct me. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's all I have. I just want y'all to see what we got going on around here. And I'll catch y'all later, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.